In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly copy and paste elements within your Framer projects. This is a simple but crucial skill that can save you a lot of time and effort, especially when working on complex design projects. So, let's get started and take it step by step. First of all, let's open Framer. If you're anything like me, you might have a whole bunch of projects going on, but don't worry. It's important to stay organized, and Framer helps with that. Once you have Framer open, you'll want to navigate to the project you're currently working on. Simply look through your list of projects and click on the one you wish to edit. This is an essential step because you need to be in the right project to make any changes. Now that the project is open, you'll notice a series of tools on the side of your screen. We're focusing on the Layers panel today because that's where all your design elements live. Locate this tab. It's typically on the left side. Clicking on it will reveal all the different layers and elements contained in your project. It might look a bit cluttered at first, especially if your project is quite detailed, but don't get overwhelmed. Each layer here represents a different part of your design that's open to editing. Next, it's time to identify the specific element you want to copy. Scan through your layers and click on the element that you wish to duplicate. It will highlight the corresponding design on your workspace, giving you a clear indication of what you're working with. This step is important to ensure you're selecting the right element, and it helps avoid any unintended changes. With the element selected, it's time to use the right-click function. Move your cursor over the selected element and right-click to bring up a contextual menu. This is where you'll find the option you need. Click on Copy from this menu. Framer is now holding a duplicate of your chosen element, ready for you to place it wherever you need within your project. Finally, the last step, pasting the copied element. Decide the area of your design where you want this copy to go. It could be in the same frame or a completely different one, depending on what you're working on. Once you've located the desired spot, position your cursor there and right-click again. Select Paste from the menu that appears. Your copied element will be placed, allowing you to easily replicate and manipulate design components without having to recreate them from scratch. And there you have it, a straightforward, effective way to copy and paste elements in Framer. Mastering this simple technique will greatly enhance your workflow and efficiency. Thank you for tuning in, and happy designing.